Our new week of Everyplate is here. I'm so excited. Okay, so as you open up the box, you'll see we ordered the 2-person meal box, and it comes in this really nice insulated bag. It helps keep everything nice and cold and fresh. Here's all of our ingredients. We love Everyplate. We have been really happy getting them lately and enjoying their meals. So in this box comes 3 different meals. So that is a total of 6 meals for us. 3 different days, 2 people, 6 meals. So our first meal is the succotash rice bowls. I've never had succotash, so it looked really interesting. I thought I wanted to try it out. These recipe cards are great. They show you everything that you need and what to do. But if you lose your card or for some reason you'd rather do it online, you can just go check out your recipe right online. So on the recipe cards, it shows you exactly what you need to make each meal. And Everyplate is great. It sends everything to you all pre-portioned, measured, and ready to go. So these are the ingredients that came with our first meal. We've got garlic and a lime, jasmine rice, and a red onion. We also have corn, a tomato, a nice Roma tomato, shelled edamame. I love edamame, so good. They even gave us this garden ranch spice blend and some Smoky Red Pepper Crema. Wow, this is gonna be really good. All those ingredients together, that sounds delicious. So some of the options when you get your box is to individually package them to throw them into your refrigerator. Just makes prep so much easier the night that you are ready to make the meal. You pull it right out and you're ready to cook dinner for the night. So in your box, underneath all of the pantry items, you will find freezer packs to keep the meat super cold. Down below, we have our meat. So our second meal for this week is chicken, sausage, and tomato soup. I've never had anything like this, so I thought I wanted to try this one out as well. Love Everyplate, love trying new meals. So here's everything that you need, and here's the ingredients that we were sent. We got a yellow onion and some garlic, another Roma tomato for this meal as well, sweet Italian chicken sausage mix, the tomato paste, the chicken stock, a bag full of couscous. We really like couscous. We love the texture of it. And some shredded Parmesan cheese. So this looks like a really nice, hearty, delicious soup. It's gonna be so good. And again, this is just enough for 2 people. You also can upgrade to getting a box that's for 4 people, and they'll send you more food, of course, for that. Another option that we thought about is using reusable bags. These are so great. We've been using these lately with our produce. And you could just stick all the ingredients for each meal in one of these bags, put it right in your fridge, and again, be able to pull it right out and start cooking your dinner for the night. Just a little side note, we don't typically put our meat in with the rest of our food. We like to keep those separate. And our third meal this week is turkey and pineapple tacos. We love tacos in our house, any kind of tacos. So this one looked really good. Again, gotta try something new. Never had pineapple tacos. Here we have all of our ingredients. We've got a lime, garlic, a jalapeno. Ben will love that. He loves spicy. A red onion, the sour cream, and some pineapple. That is gonna be really interesting and good. So there's the ground turkey that they sent. It looks really high quality. The southwestern spice, and some flour tortillas. What we love about Everyplate is you get really good quality ingredients. You get to try new recipes, and everything comes to you pre-portioned and measured out, ready to make your meal. Super easy just to load everything up in your bag. And if you're interested in these bags, we do have an Amazon link down below. We have found them to be really useful and sustainable. On the back of each recipe card, it shows you step by step on how to make your meal. They are so easy. There's no way you can mess them up. It shows pictures as well as exactly in which order you need to add everything to make a delicious dinner. And here's the finished product. Ben was so excited to eat these. He loves fresh jalapeno, and they were delicious. Another option is the box that comes inside. So helpful to organize everything in your fridge by putting it all inside, or even use the insulated bag right inside your fridge to keep everything fresh and ready for dinner. So here are 3 different meal cards for the week. We have found that Everyplate is one of the most affordable delivery meal kit services out there. You can always find coupon codes out there, but if you want to save $20 now on your first box, click the link down below.